Good morning students. Class 10 exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In this chapter previous video we have complete out exercise 7.2 up to question number 3 and we have to discuss about section formula, distance formula and basic of this chapter. Distance formula: in the under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in modulus. And section formula: when a point divide a line segment in the ratio m/n, mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n, comma ny2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. It is the section formula we use in this chapter, and we have already studied about midpoint formula: x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. It is a midpoint formula. Now we start question number 4. Question number 4, it is an important question. Question number 4: find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3, 10, 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Firstly, minus 3, 10 we suppose it is a point A, 6, minus 8 we suppose it is a point B, minus 1, 6 we suppose it is a point P. Let point P divides AB in the ratio K/1. Note down, if we have to find out ratio, then we let the ratio always K/1. अगर आपको कहीं भी रेशियो फाइंड करनी है तो आप रेशियो हमेशा क्या लेट करोगे? K/1. Now we draw a figure A and B, point A, point B, and it is the point B which divide AB in the ratio K/1 using section formula. K multiplies 6. K multiply 6 plus 1 multiply minus 3 upon K plus 1. K multiply 8 minus 8. 1 multiply 10 upon K plus 1. 6K minus 3 upon K plus 1 minus 8K plus 10 upon K plus 1. It is the coordinate of point P, but according to the question, coordinate of point P is minus 1, 6. So we can write these two coordinates are equal, and after comparing abscissa is equal to abscissa and ordinate is equal to ordinate, abscissa equal to abscissa, ordinate equal to ordinate, and after cross multiply we find out K equal to 2/7. So we can say that कि point P divide AB in the ratio 2/7. Answer: point P divides AB into ratio 7. It's our answer. I hope you understood. Note down it. Okay student, now we have to do question number 5. In the question number 5, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5, B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis, and find the coordinate of the point of division. Point A and point B are given, and we let point on the x-axis is x, 0, and if the point on the y-axis 0, y. And we suppose that point P divide AB in the ratio K/1. Again repeat, when we find out ratio, then we suppose the ratio always K/1. Draw a short figure. Point A, point B, and point P divide the AB in the K/1 using section formula: K multiply minus 4 plus 1 multiply 1 upon K plus 1, K multiply 5 upon 1 multiply minus 5 upon K plus 1. So point P, this coordinate, but we suppose the point P x, 0. Then we compare both sides, abscissa, abscissa, ordinate, ordinate. Because there are two unknown numbers, so we just stop it and calculate it. So K equal to 1. Now put K equal to 1 in this column, and we find out x equal to minus 3 upon 2. So we can say that the required ratio is 1/1, and Required point is -3/2, 0. It's our answer. I hope you understood. Note down it. Okay, student. Now question number 6. In the question number 6, 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, y are the vertices of a parallelogram. Taken in order, find x and y. These are coordinate of a vertex of a parallelogram. We suppose that 1, 2 is A, 4, y B, x, 6 C and 3, 5 D. ये सब एक पैरेललोग्राम के वर्टेक्स है. We just draw a figure to represent it clearly. It is a parallelogram and the question is very important. Parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, and a special property in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. It's mean पैरेललोग्राम में डायगोनल जिस पॉइंट पर एक दूसरे को कट करेंगे वो पॉइंट दोनों ही डायगोनल से मिड पॉइंट का काम करता है. तो हम इसमें यही कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करेंगे कि P जो है वो मिड पॉइंट होगा BD एंड AC बोथ. तो फर्स्टली P is the mid point of AC and BD both using mid point formula for AC. We just draw a figure to clear it. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So after using formula, it is a coordinate of point P. Similarly for BD, same formula हमने फिर से यूज करा. तो 4 plus 3 upon 2, y plus y upon 2, and it is the coordinate of point P again. Because these are coordinate of same point, so we can just write down both are equal. Both are equal. And now comparing abscissa equal to abscissa and coordinate is equal to coordinate. तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन x is equal to 6 and after calculation y is equal to 3. So it's the answer of the question. X equal to 6 and y equal to 3. I hope you understood. Note down it. Okay, student. Now we have to do question number 7. In the question number 7, find the coordinate of the point A where AB is diameter of the circle and whose center is 2, -3 and the B is 1, 4. Center 2, -3, B 1, 4, and we have to find out A. Where AB is a diameter. We just show the information according to the figure. AB is diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. You know that. And diameter is the line segment in the chord passing through the center. So C is lying on the diameter and C obviously midpoint of AB. AB is diameter, so and C is center, so C is the midpoint of AB. Then we use midpoint formula. C equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, and the coordinate of C are 2, -3. Then we put both are equal. Abscissa equal to abscissa, coordinate equal to coordinate. After comparing, x equal to 3 and y equal to -10. So A point coordinate 3, -10. I hope you understood. In the next video, we have complete out exercise 7.2, and you know that exercise 7.3 in the we use concept area of triangle, but it is cut down your syllabus. And we have to done only question number 2 in exercise 7.3 based on the section formula. Okay, thank you very much.